Okay, so things have been cleaned up a bit, as you can see. The carriage has been moved to the furthest point, well, almost, can go a little bit back. The steady rest has been moved forward. Actually, I had to take it apart and move it forward, which is nothing because it's just one nut holding it. And I've set up the system, let me show you, oops, in such a way. My idea of doing this drill, because it's so critical and it has to be well centered, is to center everything, position the head, whoops, sorry, position the head properly, and then we can actually drill it. So to this end, I've moved the steady rest forward. I've placed both parts of the top section together using one of the rods of the steady rest. The same stock rod is in here, and this connects these two so they won't be able to move. And now we can put the steady rest and center it. Once centered compared to the tail stock, I can drill the hole. Okay, here we go. Shaft is running through. These have been fastened not to move, well, as far as I can. Actually add another one. We have these set up. Check that. It's running true. And my battery is dying, so I better drill this fast. Power. Alright. That's it. Okay, next thing we tap. Let me get set up. And now I realize that my original idea of running the nut through the main shaft will not work because it's too short. So we'll have to think of something else. Maybe I'll set up a female 7mm threading here and the 6mm over here and prepare a nut that'll fit these. We'll see. Future progress to come. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.